Hi guys, welcome again. Just gonna show you another cool iOS trick on iOS 18. So on all apps to require Face ID now. You can set every app to require Face ID. So how you do that? You just tap on the app and hold it, and then require Face ID. That's how you set it for every app. It works like that. Okay, I haven't set it for this. See if I tap. Okay, now they require face. So exactly what you can just leave your phone unlocked. Yeah, there's no need to be locking your phone the whole time if you're worried about someone be tapping on your phone. I think you can also do it on the camera. Okay, now it doesn't work on the camera. But yeah, that's all the things someone can do. They can just play with the camera. So that's one of the coolest features that's in iOS 18. Yeah, iOS 18. It's pretty cool.